This is the NY03 Sports Smartwatch with a really nice graph showing your completion of steps against your goal, a scattergram for your heart rate information here, tracking the last 24 hours of continuous heart rate measurement, does the reading when you leave it right in that spot. The screen for doing your blood pressure reading is here as well, and when it captures that, you can tether that value to your phone using the associated tethering app. You have your last night's sleep information. You have a sports section where you can go in and do a sporting activity, time versus steps with blood or heart rate shown. You can exit out of this and save that data, send it over to the phone as well, and you could turn the band off. It's a really attractive watch. Again, it's called the NY03. Check it out.